Boo. Alright, so I'm gonna be pranking people by burping as loud as I can in public lobbies. So, this may take a few recording sessions because I can't do it on camera all the time. Anyways, yeah, let's go do that. Alright, boys, here we go. Move out, move out.
The man from the fog. It reminds me of it.
Yeah, get away from me. You look like Michael Life. No, I own the first boy.
What the?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm safe.
No. So that reaction was absolutely horrible. I was hoping for it to be better. What a fail, bro. Why do these fails keep happening?